If you're looking to build a new gaming system without draining your savings account, stick around. This motherboard delivers surprisingly good performance for the price, and might just be the missing piece in your setup. Let's take a look at how this board performs in real-world use, without all the tech jargon. So, this compact micro ATX board is made with budget-conscious gamers in mind. You get support for Ryzen processors all the way up to the 5000 series, which already makes it future-proof enough for a lot of builds. There are 4 RAM slots, letting you install a hefty 128GB of DDR4 memory. And if you're all about performance, yes, you can overclock up to 4400 MHz as long as your RAM can handle it. That's more than enough for current games and even heavier software workloads. On the storage front, you get one M.2 slot, great for fast SSDs, plus 6 standard SATA connectors for additional drives. For most gaming setups, that's totally sufficient. Sure, there's no second M.2 slot and no PCIe 4.0 support, but at this price point, that's understandable. One small drawback is the slot layout. If you install a large graphics card, it blocks the PCIe X1 slot underneath. So if you're planning to add something like a Wi-Fi card, you'll need to plan accordingly. But let's be honest, how often do you really need more than the GPU? Power delivery is another thing to watch out for. The voltage regulators aren't actively cooled. That's fine for standard 6-core Ryzen CPUs. But if you're running an 8-core chip and plan to overclock heavily, you might be pushing it. Audio performance is solid. Not studio grade, but totally fine for regular gaming and streaming. The Ethernet port offers gigabit speeds, and ASUS uses their tried and true TUF LAUNG tech here for extra protection. And here's a real highlight, the BIOS. With BIOS Flashback, you can update it super easily, even without a CPU installed. That's a lifesaver, especially if you're using a Ryzen 5000 processor. All in all, you're getting a stable, reliable motherboard with features you normally wouldn't expect at this price. Perfect for anyone building a capable gaming system, without unnecessary bells and whistles. If this sounds interesting, definitely check the video description where you'll find the best deals. So what are the upsides and what are the drawbacks of this motherboard? Pros: excellent price to performance ratio, compatible with a wide range of Ryzen generations, supports fast memory up to 128GB, BIOS updates possible even without a CPU, durable design with built-in protection features. Cons: no VRM cooling, could be an issue with high-end CPUs. Only one M.2 slot, PCIe X1 slot blocked by GPU, no PCIe 4.0 support, USB ports are a bit limited. If you're looking for a solid, affordable, and reliable motherboard that's compatible with modern Ryzen processors, this one is definitely worth a look. Check out the product links in the description for the best deals, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more tech reviews.